Hello once again everybody from Astrovedic Solutions Tamil and English channel. Welcome to all. So this video we are exclusively making for quiz delineation results. So as you are aware that Astrovedic Solutions we are creating a lot of astrology related quizzes time to time very systematically which will make you to learn the astrology in a different way. And our main motive to provide these quizzes is only for learning. And this advantage of this particular learning, we thought we have to give exclusively to our Astrovedic Solutions members. So we thought every day, why not we give the quiz delineation results also? What the quiz master has observed, and let us discuss that also. So in the quiz 471, we had asked which of the following houses which was badly damaged, and the right answer we said it is second house, and this is the house where the epicenter was created for this native for the issues which is related to money. Now the first and foremost factor we have to observe in the second house is Virgo for the Leo ascendant, and you can see the Badakesha for that particular Leo ascendant is always Mars, and the Mars is right on the place of second house along with Mandi. And we already said that Mandi we have already put several videos before also, but we will cover exclusively in the coming video sessions about this Mandi. So whenever the Mandi is also placed in the second house along with the Badakesha Mars, it is not a good factor for in terms of finance and as well as for the family. Now, when we say Mars is a very disturbing factor for the second house, we want to know why. Why this Mars is not acceptable? Why not? It is not a good planet to be placed in the second house. The main factor for here is the Jupiter is a significator for the second house, and Jupiter do not like Mars, because the reason for that is Mars keeps on fighting for each and everything, whereas Jupiter is asking for peace. So these two planets do not be conducive in the relationship between them itself. So that is one of the first factor to understand, that the Mars placement in the second house. We also have put one recently, I remember I have put an article related to Mars second house is not good, favorable for money and also for the family. This is why, because the Jupiter, the significator, is never been conducive with Mars. It dislikes it. That is why the Jupiter is debilitated in a Mars house, and Mars debilitates whenever Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. If you see the relationship between these two planets, always is a friction. So the reason for that friction been explained today. And when you are seeing a house, the house lord placement is very important. Here in this case, the house lord Mercury is in a Scorpio, which is not a good house, and this particular Mercury is in a Scorpio sign along with Sun. Fine. What is that very special in this? Why the Mercury is not good? Because in this case, in this chart, the Aruda Lagna falls in Sagittarius, and the Scorpio falls to the 12th house from the Aruda. It sees that there is a perceived loss from the planets which is causing those losses. So if you see that, then you can see from the Aruda there is 9th Lord Sun and the 10th Lord. Both of them is in a loss. So this particular person will have to face one point of time the complete fortune will become a standstill, plus there will be huge financial difficulty which will cause the family members as well as a strife for between the family members and himself, plus there will be a problem in his own finances. And that was the end result of it. There are many other ways to delineate the same result, as I usually used to say. In astrology, you can arrive to the same answer by using 100 different rules. But this is one of the best rules. This is one of the rule which I have observed, which thought of apt for this video, so I just made it. So hope you enjoy these quiz delineation results through Astrovedic solutions with proper this thing. In future also, kindly subscribe this channel who had not subscribed so far, so that in future we can able to get lot of interesting astrological videos plus case studies are going to be updated in this channel. So hope you all enjoy once again through this quiz delineation results. Thank you. Good day.